For me, work-life balance till 28 is stupid. Say yes to everything. Do you know what is the purpose of work? Why have we created a capitalist society? Work is important for our mental safety. You stop working for 2 months, you will get depressed. Actually, we did not have to work if all of us created a society where everyone was equal. People actually don't work for money.
Vijay said very interestingly, right? I was hosting him in a chat 1 month back, 2 months back in a Jiffy event. You were there. And I asked him about this question, work life balance, and he answered, wherever there's a balance, there's something wrong. Balance means something is right and wrong, and you're balancing. So, the hottest topic of the 21st, 22nd century, whatever era we are in, work life balance. And especially the 20s, people from 22 to 28 or 22 to 30 thinking about work-life balance on a day-to-day basis. Right, wrong, not right, not wrong, I don't know.
So when you start your career, you have no work-life balance and should not. You should say yes to every damn opportunity in the world. I'm meeting so many students. Oh my God, they are selective of opportunities. They would rather sit at home, play SimCity 5, and say that no, I cannot do this job because I'm not able to attach myself to this. I said, how do you know until you get exposed? For me, work life balance till 28 is stupid. Say yes to everything, slog through it. I said yes to Gangaram Hospital surgeries. I said yes to every single Tom, Dick, Harry thing coming at me because that is important. The moment you say yes, you know what you're not liking. If I would have never seen the surgery, I would have not realized that, dude, this is not my passion.
Again, process of elimination.
Absolutely. And you cannot eliminate something that you don't understand. Elimination is something which is known to you. The second is then you become successful. You start becoming very picky and choosy. I have very different views about work life balance. I believe that if you're not enjoying life, then there's no work. Do you know what is the purpose of work? Why have we created a capitalist society? Actually, we did not have to work if all of us created a society where everyone was equal. Equity distribution was the core thesis. The challenge why we have created this world is because work is important for our mental safety. You stop working for 2 months, you will get depressed. Work is important for our expression and our purpose. Until and unless you go out of your home, start building your work. We are all artists as humans. We have a lot of energy. We are creating an art. Every time an Ink 42 newsletter goes, Weber, Pooja, and Utkarsh as an artist come around. Pooja's beautiful articulation, Utkarsh's beautiful design, Weber's thinking about it, and also a lot of founders I know having horrible marital lives, going through mental shit like anything, and then commenting about work-life balance and no, this should be there and all. There's no work without creating proper structures with your family because that keeps you rooted.
And like you said, right? People actually don't even work for 2 hours. And when you say literally work, high productive work, rather they think they work for 10 hours, but they're actually working for 30 minutes or 1 hour nap. So if one is able to be very, very focused, I think we have all seen number of hours and we can produce results in all of them along with our life.
I have a rule. Any task that I start, first 20 minutes is all bullshit that I do. Because we take time to gather away from all the thoughts that are happening. Next 20 minutes, you start thinking about the problem and start challenging your own. Because as humans, we only use 3.25% of our brains. And last 20 minutes is actual work that we do. So we will be discovering a lot about human mind, and work is a very small part. In my opinion, we work really less. Work is deep focus, and deep focus is something that as Indians we are not taught. We love shuffling things, and deep focus is something that if you don't focus on anything, you will not be able to do a great job.